Yeah.
Because I had it.
There you go.
I was trying to get this from.
So you could
I love those plants. They just bring out.
Well, we gotta move this.
Yeah, you're gonna have to move that because I think it's in the way now, the TV. Wait, let me see. Let me come on this side. Back. Hey, beautiful faces. It's me, Sunnie, your favorite golden girl and your favorite auntie. And welcome to another episode of Simply Sunnie. So on today's show, we are getting ready to do some planting. Yes, we are still cutting off and dropping off and shutting off the list of home decorating during this whole quarantine and shutdown with this COVID-19. So let's get started. Let's get started. All right, we are having a planting and potting party. The hubby and I, we are preparing for our beautiful nature setup inside of the home. This is our first plant that we are potting right now. This is an aloe plant, and the aloe plant was purchased from Walmart nursery, and we purchased the pot from Lowe's. So we are going to get it ready and start on the next plant. So we finished potting the aloe plant. We put new soil. We also added some plant food, and we sealed the top off with the chips. And now I am going to water it just so it can get the moisture inside of the new soil. Here is the finishing look of our first aloe plant, and now we're going to start on the snake plant. So my husband and I are massaging the snake plant out of the pot to put it in the new pot plant holder. And now we're going to put in the new soil up to how we want the plant to grow. Okay, so now we're going to put the stones on top of the plant food, which I put on top of the soil. Once I complete the stones on top of the soil, then the next step will be to water the plant. Now it's time for me to water the plant, so I need to make sure that I get the water around the plant and then in between the leaves of the plant. Okay, the snake plant has been completely potted and it's ready to be placed inside the home. Well, I just wanted to share this beautiful sunset that was setting in front of us while we were potting the plants. And I just thought, let me share this beautiful moment with you all. So my husband is about to pot the peace lily. He's already taken it out of the pot that we purchased it in. And we purchased a plant vase from Lowe's. It's the one here with the shades of turquoise, gray, and some other dark tones. It was about, I want to say $19.99, 20 bucks. But Lowe's has some really nice collection of plant vases. If you are interested, check out Lowe's. These are all the plants that we have completed so far. And now we have two other ones, which is the Majesty Palm and the Fiddle Fig that we have to pot. So here is the Majesty Palm. As you can see, it is gorgeous. The Fiddle Fig has also been potted, and we will show you that inside.
We had to sell the other lot first. And I said, they never told us that. And then I would try to do that too, but I doubt it. But I we did. I ain't want to. Yeah, we did. I got to write that thing up. Hey, the sand again done turned white. Like I was trying, hey, the dust will be all on the live plate. Now I can do this. Go down. Mine's talking to me. Mine's doing like this. Mine's
Lily is right here in the corner. That's Lily. That's Lily.
15 of these. Me too.
See that one by the sliding door? That's Fiddle.
Fiddle D.
Fiddle Fig.
Fiddle D.
And that big one where you're standing, that is Majesty.
Majesty.
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you know that palm trees is called hearts of palm? You know that's a vegetable in the palm tree?
Just like on
Yeah.
Naked and Afraid, this guy, he chopped one down. And
Yeah, he opened it up. I bought some of the
What is it, a fruit?
No, it's vegetable.
Oh, vegetable.
I know that. And they taste like it's no taste to it.
So we can make it taste.
And the
It
snake,
make it taste like a crab.
yeah, he was just bringing them in.
So look at the pillows and everything.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is Fiddle Fig. That's Majesty. That's little Lily. Over there on top of the counter, those are little, I don't have a name for those yet.
Oh, I like that like this.
And then the two at the door, those are the snake plants. Why you smiling? That's my sister. She just smiling.
I love it.
I know. You don't know, those plants just bring out a whole different ambiance in your home.
Yes, God. They do.
Get them, big sister. You gotta get
They're
them.
gonna have dust on it. And
No, don't have dust. Don't get the dust. You gotta,
No,
what you do is get them, and when you see it, you're gonna be so into it.
What
Like,
I said I'm gonna do when the coronavirus is over, I'm doing the same thing you guys are doing. I'm going to, paint my house, which I'm doing.
You painted it.
I'm gonna have Dan go ahead and put a nice little beautiful television up there without any, holes in the wall. Cords hanging down. I would love for him to put something like
with the
this.
strings.
Look, I would love for him to put something like that. I can't afford Bose. I can't afford that.
There's other speakers that has
I can't afford
sound.
no Bose. Come on now.
Yeah.
This used to be my favorite.
But there's another one that's high end, which is the one we
And
have in the
look at
kitchen.
Dan is a connoisseur. Look at Dan.
Dan.
Look at Dan. Come on now, guys. Dan got his own cigar box. Little cigars. And he doesn't even smoke.
He smokes sometimes, like when his friends come over, they'll go on the patio and smoke it.
On my TV, like from my I don't know how I got like this old. I used to be skinny and fine.
still fine.
Look, you wetted yours.
No.
Okay. You wetted your hair and it came out beautiful.
No, it did not. It was hard. I had to get my shea butter with the turmeric in it.
Okay, Eve. I already
No, you do.
Okay. I grew up with you guys with good curly hair. Look at this hair over here.
I do not have no curly hair.
Girl, you
Who hair?
don't tell me. I'm the big sister. I know what you have. Look at this hair. Come on now. Your hair haven't changed any. You just don't wear it like this.
I don't wear it black.
Look at this. Look at this girl hair. Look at this girl hair.
That picture's so old.
And I'm gonna show you some pictures of you, and I'm gonna show you the difference of your hair. And let me show you my hair. I'll go back in them books.
But I can tell you that your hair has a curl pattern. All right, beautiful faces, this completes the show for today on this episode. I want to thank you all for tuning in. Yes, my sisters joined in with me today. I was so excited for them to show up. One called and said, can we come over? And I'm like, why are you asking to come over? All you have to do is say, are you home? And then bring your little self on over here, big sister. Okay, these are my big sisters. What?